Hey guys, today I tried to fix this gutter drainage. There was like a PVC right here they put on, and I think it got old and dry and it broke. So I'm trying to replace it with this ABS or ADS, whatever it is. Let's see if that will fix this problem of water causing some issues like on this concrete right here. So I'm gonna show you how to do with this. If you like stuff like this, please stick around and I'll show you how to do it. So I had to remove that piece right there to be able to move the gutter back and put the piece. So now I can slide this in here. There you go. So I got it to like just sit flush with this. Now I just need to figure out how to put this back in. I'm probably gonna have to take the top part as well and then put it back. So I'm gonna put this back. I already put this in here. You can see it. I had to remove the whole gutter out and then slide it back in there. So I'm gonna put this piece to that holds the gutter on the wall, and then I'll do the bottom. There it is. Pretty simple. I just need to paint this just a little bit. I had to move this a little bit. It should be good. And that has been fixed. So I'm gonna show you the bottom here so you can see. The bottom looks really nice. This is all flashed here, so water won't be seeping from here. It's all round like this. You can see. And this is 3-inch. This is 3-inch. I bought a 2-inch so it can slide in it. And then over here, this is about 3-inch, so this is perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put I can put 2 screws here, or I can just leave it like that. I think it's fine. That should be good. So just wanted to share with you guys how to fix this. It's pretty simple, and anybody can do it. I just did it, and I think you could do it as well. And now water won't be coming in, making all this. You can see here it started cracking right here because water was just flowing and overflowing and coming over instead of going through the drain. All right. So if you have any questions about this, or you have one that you're wondering how to fix, please shoot me a message, drop a comment, and I will be able to help you out. So these are pretty easy to remove, and I removed one right there, and it's perfect. You could do it yourself too. There it is. It was making a mess down there like that. So now I don't have to worry about it. I just fixed my drain. Please check my other videos, my DIY videos, and let me know how I'm doing. Please subscribe, support my channel. I appreciate you.